Wenzhou CICEL Vacuum Machine Company Limited is founded in 2014. We are a China national high-tech enterprise dedicated to the research and development of PVD vacuum coating equipment and UV painting equipment, providing comprehensive and reasonable solutions for customers in the surface treatment industry. For a long time, CICEL has provided humanized coating machines for customers in more than 40 countries with its outstanding innovation ability and tenacious craftsmanship. CICEL insists that matching the clear needs of customers with the most suitable, customized equipment can create great value for customers and at the same time demonstrate our innovative service capabilities. Our main products are evaporation vacuum coating equipment, PVD multi-arc ion vacuum coating equipment, magnetron sputtering vacuum coating equipment, super hard film PVD coating machines for tools, DLC, PVD coating machine, and automatic UV painting line. Technology research and development and innovation are the company's core competitiveness. CICEL uses its own advanced technology to conduct vacuum technology research and development with well-known China domestic universities. In the field of super hard film layer and DLC coating equipment, many national invention patents have been obtained and the entire product line equipment has obtained EU CE certification. We will continue to devote ourselves to our professionalism and provide high reliability coating solutions. Let the vacuum coating technology bloom more bright light of innovation and benefit for all our customers in the world.